Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's have a look at this example from the 2023 past paper. Simplify the following. Open bracket 15xy squared minus 27xyz minus 3x squared yz cubed, close bracket, divided by negative 3xy. Now, when dividing an algebraic expression by a monomial, that means by a single term, like over here, we have a single term. We divide each term in the bracket separately by that monomial. So we'll rewrite this as three separate fractions, each one divided by negative 3xy. Let's do that. So we start with 15xy squared divided by negative 3xy minus 27xyz divided by negative 3xy minus 3x squared yz cubed divided by negative 3xy. Notice that the negative signs in the denominators will affect each term's sign, so we must be careful when simplifying. Now let's start with the first fraction. First we are going to divide the numbers. 15 divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 5. Alright, the x above the line and below the line will cancel out. Now, let's take a look at the numerator. Here we have y squared. Now, y squared is the same as y times y. So, this y and this y will cancel out. We have one y left. So, the term simplifies to negative 5y. Let's move on to the second term. So here we have 27xyz over negative 3xy. So let's divide the numbers. 27 divided by negative 3 gives us negative 9. This x and this x will cancel out. This y and this y will cancel out. So we are left with z. So now we have negative 9z. But because the question already had a minus sign before this fraction, a negative times a negative becomes a positive. Alright, let's move on to the third term. So here we have 3x squared yz cubed divided by negative 3xy. So first we are going to divide the numbers. 3 divided by negative 3 is equal to negative 1. Remember, x squared is the same as x times x. So I'm just going to add another x there. Now this x and this x will cancel out, so we are only left with 1x. This y and this y will cancel out, so we are left with z cubed. Now, again, you have to check the signs. The question had a minus in front of this fraction. And dividing by a negative number makes it a positive. So we divide it by a negative number over here, negative 3, and negative divided by a negative makes a positive. So minus and negative together gives a plus. So that means this term becomes plus xz cubed. Now we can put all the simplified terms together. So we have negative 5y plus 9z plus xz cubed. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.